Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Fazila and this is my trip to Expo 2020. Expo 2020 was supposed to be held last year, but it was postponed due to COVID and now it has started from 1st October. So I'm really blessed to witness Expo 2020. The theme of this year's Expo 2021 Dubai is Connecting Minds, Creating the Future. The sub themes are sustainability, opportunity, and mobility. So, there are three districts or three parts of Expo 2021: sustainability, mobility, and opportunity. We are at the Opportunity Pavilion at Mission Possible. The Opportunity Pavilion Mission Possible deals with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This is the Opportunity Pavilion. As you can see very carefully, the Opportunity Pavilion has no AC. It is made up of terracotta, which is a type of clay. And this makes the place cool. This keeps the place cool. And this is Opti. Hi Opti, the guardian of the Opportunity Pavilion. And this top part represents the cloud. So the down represents the ground, which is made up of terracotta to keep it cool, and the top part represents the cloud. Now we are inside the Opportunity Pavilion. This is the Mission Possible. It is again divided into three: the Urban Farmer, the Fog Catcher, and the Sun Mama. We have a message from the General Secretary of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres. This is the section of the Fog Catcher. This was so amazing. You can see the clouds below, and above you have the ground. So actually I feel like I am on the cloud and the ground is above. It was rather fun. And you had the pledge which you had to take over here. The pledge of Mission Possible. Friends, there are 200 pavilions in Expo 2020, out of which 191 pavilions are representatives of the participating countries. Friends, the architecture of Expo, oh my God. I was really amazed to see the beautiful architecture of the whole Expo. And I visited the Opportunity Pavilion. It is very difficult to visit all the pavilions in one visit, so I'm sure I'm going to make more visits to Expo. This was the Switzerland Pavilion, which I didn't get a chance to get inside. Now this is the inside view of the Bahrain Pavilion. This book had samples of the cloth industry, how the cloth industry developed from the initial stages, how they used palm products which was easily available, and then gradually how they made cloth. They had samples and a lot of information about the cloth industry, how rope was made, fishing nets, everything, all information was there. Many samples of cloth as well. And the whole architecture, if you look around, they used a lot of aluminium because Bahrain is known for its production in aluminium. Here you can see some stalls which are selling some souvenirs if you want to buy some memories of Expo 2020. Now here we are entering the Pavilion of Indonesia. You can see how nicely they have represented the water and and the ships which were used in the past in Indonesia. This is again the outside view. These are the pavilions of different countries. We have the pavilion of South Africa. Okay, so friends, this was my day at Expo 2021. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.